Today I'm going to show you my capsule wardrobe outfits for fall. Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to you as well. My name is Fernanda. And as usual on this channel, after I show you my seasonal capsule wardrobe, which I did last week, I'll leave you the link in the description box below if you missed it, I like to show you all of the outfits that can be put together with a minimalist wardrobe. Whenever I talk to people who are new to capsule dressing, usually their hesitation is that they feel like if they use a capsule wardrobe, they're not going to have a lot of options and they're going to get bored. But in my experience, if a capsule wardrobe is built with versatility in mind and is cohesive, then you can get a lot of options and it can make you feel like you actually have a decent sized wardrobe. Thumbs up if you agree. So today I want to show you my capsule wardrobe outfits for fall of 2020. And if you are new to this channel and are interested in creating a wardrobe that you love without having to buy a million things to do so, then please subscribe. You can hit the diamond over here to do so, and I post new videos every Thursday. Let's get started. videos is like a workout. Who knew that changing your clothes 30 plus times would be so physically demanding? I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to create your own fall capsule wardrobe. And if you do like it, it would mean so much to me if you give it a big thumbs up, if you share it with a friend who might be interested in watching it, and in the comments below, let me know what your favorite outfit was of all of the 30 plus ones that I showed you. And if you need help putting together your own capsule, then click on either of these 2 videos appearing on the screen now. And if you want more tips to help you build a wardrobe that you love, then make sure to come back next week. I'm here every Thursday with more tips. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.